I am so hungry right now, but I want to at least fix up the TV stand so I can take the TV out of my room and put it up there. So I'm gonna put up that and then see what happens. Let's just hope I'm doing it right. Holy moly, macaroni, my back. So it's currently 7:25. I was thinking of moving everything right here and actually fix up my futon right now, but I need to stop and actually eat because I am starving, and again I am having pizza because I'm not cooking until tomorrow. It's going well so far, so I think I'm definitely going to put up my futon tonight so that I don't have much to do but unpack the 2 boxes tomorrow. I don't wanna go slow. And then that suitcase full of their shoes. But my living room is coming together. Yeah. I'm gonna eat. Push all the boxes to one side. Swept on what the forge drying. And then I'm gonna put on my futon. My futon and my living room is gonna be a thing tonight. Tonight. Now that I've procrastinated for about half an hour, oh, my back hurts. I should probably stop, but I'm not going to. Here we go. It says 1 person can't do it, has to be 2. There's just 1 of me, so I'm gonna have to do it myself. Watch me, just watch me. Watch me do it by myself. Just. They said 1 person couldn't do it. Alvina did. So I mopped the floor. It's currently drying. Obviously, I'm gonna stop halfway, but at least done. So my plan is to get a palm tree over there. That lounge chair is gonna go right there, and I plan on getting like a white carpet, fluffy carpet in the middle, and then that's that. I do have to get another chair for this and just leave it here and here, and then I'm going to have my desk area right here. We'll see, but so far so good. It's coming together. I think I'm just gonna call it a night and relax for the rest of the night because I am tired. I've been on my feet literally all day, no break apart from eating, and you guys saw that I ate only twice. So yeah, I'm going to just lie in bed, relax, relax and edit my video and just chill, you know? Yeah. See you guys tomorrow, which is going to be the last day of my unpacking vlog. So hopefully I get everything done tomorrow because it has to happen. Alright, good night guys. The whole time I was talking, it wasn't even recording. Happy Sunday guys. I hate that I go to bed stuffy and then I wake up sneezing. Can't wait until this place is done cleaning up so that the dust can go away. I feel like there's a bump on my nose because it hurts, but I can't see it. Anyways, these are 2 boxes that I have to pack out today. I'm just gonna quickly fix up this chair just so it's out of the way and then sort through all of this. I'm not gonna bother make Ackee saltfish for breakfast only because I don't have saltfish and I don't feel like going on the road right now. So, but I do have almond and cream porridge and I did pick up condensed milk and evaporated milk. So I'm gonna make that for breakfast. And the plan for today is to go through every single thing right here and pack them away, and then anything extra that I need to get, wait until my next pay because I'm running out of money. I want to get a storage shelf for the storage closet because I don't feel like boring holes in the wall, and I'd rather do that to put everything out. I'm going to IKEA and I'll also be getting my desk. I'm still trying to decide which one I want to get. If I want to get the Mick or the Alex. I'm not sure. I think the Alex is gonna be too wide, so I might just get the Mick. But yeah, I forgot that I needed to spray paint this thing. It's one of my key things for the entry holder. But I spray painted it this morning and I'll leave it out there. And there's spray paint on my fingers and my toes, but you know what, whatever. Anyways, I'm gonna quickly make hominy corn porridge, eat that for breakfast, and then I'm gonna get ready and go to church. The service starts at 10:30. From the website, I'm getting a good vibe. Anyways, I'm gonna quickly make my breakfast and then I'll see what I can do before I leave. So before I continue, I'm drinking my tea right now, but I finished making my hominy corn porridge. I'm just gonna let that simmer for another minute or 2, and then I'll take it off and clean the stove because clean all year 2018. Yeah. Now to continue. In case you were wondering, this has spray painted gold and that's what it's going to look like. So I'm gonna put this on my foyer table. I can put my keys here and any letters and trinkets and stuff like that. So let me get my keys. Where is my keys actually? Oh, it should be in my bag. Got me scared a little bit. Dope, isn't it? Yeah. So it's currently 9:10 right now. I'm not gonna start getting ready until 9:30. So I have a little minute to spare. In the meantime, I'm thinking I'm just gonna lie down and chill for a minute. Okay, I'm back and I'm ready for church. I'm gonna put my shoes on and leave right now. And then I'll come back and finish up what needs to be done. So have yourself a good Sunday. I'll be right back. So I'm back home. It's actually 12 right now and it ends at 12:30, but I was starving and I felt like I was getting sick, so I just left early. But I like the atmosphere of the church. It's definitely a good church. I'm gonna change and then eat some porridge and then start dealing with all of this. Oh my god, I'm exhausted. I really don't feel like doing anything today, but I just want to get it done and over with. Okay, so I laid on my bed far too long. Now it's time for me to actually get up and do stuff. And I think I'm just going to make the 2 pieces of furniture before I start packing up the boxes. And yeah, because I want to pack out the boxes only because they have stuff that I'll use for work and I can't be going back and forth digging into it. But I also want to make my entrance table and the other box so I can pack out my gym bag which has books in it. And I need to set up my PS4. I need to do that, and I do plan on cooking stew peas, so I need to start that soon. I was supposed to start at 2 o'clock, but I probably push it back another hour. It's 2 o'clock right now. But yeah, let's get on a roll, shall we? It's the final day of unpacking. Let's do this. I figured we'll start with this small one first. Done. It's like a mini bookshelf, so yeah. That hurt. That really hurt the soul. My batteries. Is this thing working? I don't know how it dies so fast. Anyways, back to work. Says I'm gonna need a hammer, but I don't have a hammer, so I'm gonna use my wrench as a hammer. You gotta improvise. Okay, 1. Oh my god. I am having the worst back pain right now. My arms actually feel sore like how they would after a gym workout. I'm so tired. I'm done with this one. Oh my god. This is probably the hardest thing to put together. That's what it looks like. I don't know if I'm going to get the storage container yet or not. I might. I don't know if I want it at that angle, and I want to get like a little green plant here. I think I'm gonna eventually get the baskets and put them here. I'm not sure what I'm gonna store in there, probably just trinkets and stuff, but yeah, it's coming together. I think I want to put a mirror here, a round mirror. Anyways, at least that's done. I need to clear out this corner, but let's start dinner and then I'll check back in later. Okay, I'm off to a late start, but I'm cooking the stew peas right now. It's a bowl of cheese that I always eat with banana chips. Is that weird? Anyways, that's something you guys know about me now. I eat banana chips with cheese. But I put up the table here. My desk is gonna go here. I think I'm just gonna order 1 more chair instead of 2, and hopefully my desk can fit. It should fit. Hopefully it does fit. It's currently 5:37 right now. I have these boxes left. They're just books in here. I'm gonna pack them out and put them there. I think I'm just gonna do them tomorrow evening when I get home because I'm really tired. So now I'm just going to start editing and just sit here and cook and edit. So that's all I'm doing for the rest of the evening, I guess. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to bust a like on the video and subscribe down below if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!